So your hair looks dull. Roughs, frizzy on top, dry at the ends. Same girl, that used to be me too. But then I discovered something. Glass hair, you know, that shiny straight, reflective look that just screams, I have my life together. And guess what? You don't need expensive salon treatments to get it. I'm about to show you how to get silky, shiny glass hair naturally, right from home. Let's start from the very beginning, because great hair doesn't start in the shower. It starts before it. Step 1. The pre-wash oil magic. Take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon of argan oil. Then, mix in 3 drops of rosemary oil. Warm it slightly. Massage it into your scalp for 5 minutes. Focus on those roots. Your scalp is where the magic begins. Now coat the lengths of your hair gently. Don't forget the ends. Wrap it up in a towel or shower cap. Let it sit for 30-40 minutes. You've just done the foundation for soft, shiny strands. Think of this as hair therapy. Step 2. Shampoo the smart way. Use a sulfate-free shampoo. One with keratin or milk protein is even better. Focus just on your scalp. Don't scrub your ends, they're fragile. Let the foam rinse down the strands naturally. And always rinse with lukewarm water. Never hot. Step 3. Deep conditioning. Here's my favorite DIY hair mask. 2 tablespoons aloe vera. 1 tablespoon yogurt. 1 teaspoon olive oil. Mix it into a smooth paste. Apply it from mid-length to the ends. Clip your hair up. Let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. It hydrates, smooths, and seals in shine. This mask equals shine glass in a bowl. Step 4. The post-wash glow-up. Use a microfiber towel or soft t-shirt. Pat your hair dry. Don't rub it, that causes frizz. Spray on a lightweight DIY serum. Rose water plus a few drops of glycerin, plus a touch of argan oil. Comb with a wide-tooth comb. Wrap your hair in a satin scarf while it dries. This alone will take you 10 steps closer to glass hair. Step 5. The shine finish. Once your hair is dry, take 1-2 drops of serum or hair oil. Rub it between your palms. Smooth it gently over your hair surface. This gives you that glowy top coat finish. Like lip gloss, but for your strands. Bonus tips, keep the shine alive. Avoid washing your hair daily. 2-3 times a week is ideal. Do a cold rinse after every wash. Yes, even if it's uncomfortable. Sleep on a satin pillowcase. Use a scrunchie instead of tight hair ties. Eat healthy fats. Drink water. Trim your ends every 6-8 weeks. Healthy hair equals shiny hair. It starts from within, not into DIYs. Here are products I swear by. Shampoo, Love Beauty and Planet Argan Oil plus Lavender. Mask, OGX Coconut Miracle Oil. Serum, L-Oil Extraordinary. All affordable. All available online. All glass hair approved. In just a week or 2, you'll see a difference. Less frizz. More shine. More compliments. Whether your hair is curly, straight, or wavy, you can absolutely get that glassy finish. Be gentle, be consistent, and treat your hair like it's royalty. Because it is. Glass hair isn't a dream. It's your new normal. Let's glow.